Hi guys. So if you want to compress files into a zip file, you will need a utility software. So for this, go to this website tzip.github.io. So once you reach that website, you can download depending on your operating system. If you have Windows, you can click here. So whatever OS you have, click the relevant one. So I have Windows, I have already downloaded it. So after you have downloaded it, you just click the .exe link. So something like this will open. So after that, accept the agreement, then click next and next. Then install button will appear. After that, click install, then click finish. Then you can just I have already have it installed, so I'm not going to install it again. So once you have installed the utility software, you can just select all the files you want and just right click on it. Then you can click. It will be you will have a lot of options. You can just choose the option add to .zip. Then everything will be converted into a zip file. Okay. Thank you guys for watching with this video. To see more information video like this, subscribe to this channel.